Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty for Master Degree in Business Administration in Indira Gandhi National Open University for the last 30 years. As per the new curriculum of new MBA, we have in third semester of MBA specialization subjects, and today I have taken one of the specialization subjects, namely MMPH 002 Human Resource Development course. I just want to introduce the blocks and the corresponding units in each of the block with respect to the current subject. Block 1 is Introduction to HRD. Unit 1 is Human Resource Development, an overview. Unit 2 is HRD systems. Unit 3 is HRD processes and methods. Block 2, Managing HRD. Unit 4 is HRD for employees. Unit 5 is Role of HR managers. Unit 6 is Competency mapping. Unit 7 is Analysis of performance and career planning. Block 3 is HRD in practice. Unit 8, HRD culture and climate. Unit 9, counseling, coaching and mentoring. Unit 10 is HRD in industrial relations. Block 4, experiences and trends in HRD. Unit 11, emerging trends and perspectives. And Unit 12 is HRD experiences. Thus, it has got 12 units. And I have taken one of the assignments in the course, and I am just giving you the questions that are in that assignment for the current year. Assignment MMPH 002, and you need to attempt all the questions and submit assignment before April 2023. The questions are: explain the value anchored HRD process. How does the culture system of an organization influences the HRD system? Explain how the recent society has been going through a career transition in a career development process. Number 3, differentiate between coaching and mentoring. Briefly explain the coaching process. Number 4, how do your organizational mission and vision help in formulating an organizational development plan? Number 5 is explain the effectiveness of a balanced scorecard and business process re-engineering as a method to increase organizational performance. For the benefit of the students, I have taken one of these questions, namely question number 3, differentiate between coaching and mentoring. Briefly explain the coaching process. As I have been keep telling in all my channel discussions with the students of IGNOU courses, that they have to answer assignments being at home, and there are no restrictions whatsoever about the words that are to be compiled for each of the questions, and as against the termed examination that is likely to be there within 3 hours of 180 minutes, they are supposed to answer 5 questions, wherein each of the questions will have to be written within the maximum time of 35 minutes. And by virtue of the experience, it is found that a student could write 20 minutes, rather 20 words per minute, and thereby the maximum words that one will have to write for each of the questions of the termed examination will be in the range of 600 to 700 words. And therefore, I have compiled the answer corresponding to the requirement, and I am going to have this in my next video. All the best and thank you.